So we're walking even deeper. Gonna go and find the next flooded chamber. This level just keeps on going and going and going. See how these stains on the floor? You can see the direction that the draft is blowing because these are water droplets that have dripped from the roof. And as the wind, the gale blows them as they drip, it sort of skids them across the floor, if that makes any sense.
Feel the wind,
yeah, you can, can't you?
I was wondering what the colours them are.
Yeah, you see them in several places, but they're very well pronounced here.
Yes.
Proper gale blowing through here.
Absolutely.
What do you reckon of this?
This is amazing.
Look what we have here.
Look at that.
We have an Imco rocker shovel with a train. This parked in here. Wow. So the rocker shovel, when you've blasted rock from the face, runs on compressed air and it lifts the rock, passes it over the top and then deposits it into these rubbish wagons. The exact same wagons as what we've just seen. See, with these little eyes. The exact same.
It's impressive, isn't it?
It's amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Unbelievable. Wow.
But you know what's even more unbelievable?
What?
Look over there. Massive crane.
Gee whiz.
How about that? Once again, compressed air. There's the air receiver.
This thing?
Yep. Absolutely awesome. And a big floodlight behind it. Wow. And a flooded chamber. Our next port of call, I reckon.
Full of rubbish.
Yeah. There's a big box down there. Wooden box.
Let's get the ROV in.
Yeah, let's do it. I love this. Wow. Here we're going.
What's down there?
Oh, look at all the chains. Is that explosives box or something?
Do you think?
Quite big.
Yeah, look.
Wow. What's in it? Is there something in it? Or is that just...
It's on the other side of it.
Oh, yeah, so it is.
I'm actually looking from above. I can see.
Oh, yeah,
The
yeah.
water's that clear. You don't need to watch
Yeah,
the
you don't
screen.
actually need to look.
Yeah, wow, there, look.
Wow.
I want to see what's down there.
Let's go down.
Oh,
Look how
look
it
at the
lights
wall.
up the wall.
Look at the wall.
Wow.
From above, it looks amazing.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, that's the size of it, look.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, that's a reflection.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a reflection.
Oh,
Carry
yeah.
on going.
Jesus Christ. Well, look at taking the chunks off the wall.
Yeah. Look at the shot holes. That's like the same pattern as up here. So you can see where the saw has been used, a slate saw.
See how deep it is.
Yeah.
It looks deep.
Wow, it is too.
There it goes.
Straight down into the big blue.
Into the abyss. Different for us exploring a slate.
It is, isn't it? The scale of everything is just so huge.
It's unbelievable. Wow, it's deep. 60 feet.
60 feet. The wagon before was 70 feet, wasn't it? So we're already going beyond that.
Crikey, yeah.
80 feet.
At the bottom, or was that a wall?
I think that's the wall.
No, that's the bottom.
Ah, right.
What's down here then?
Right.
And shimmy around it, a whole chamber.
Oh, yeah, that is the floor. Some pipe.
It's junk.
Some compressed air hoses.
Lots of junk.
Yeah. Tyres.
Oh, this is cool, isn't it?
What's going to be on the tyres? Is that a tractor tyre back there? Yes, there's a big tractor tyre. This is where that crane was lifting from. So this is quite a small chamber, really, for such a big crane.
It was a rock, it was.
Oh, yeah.
Cables. Electrical cable?
Yeah, and a couple of gloves.
Is
Because all this was worked from the 70s to the 80s. So I guess that all this stuff has remains from that period of working.
right. So when did this mine actually shut?
2003.
Wow.
But this chamber was last worked in the 80s, I believe.
Right.
80s or 90s.
100 feet.
100 feet exactly.
100 feet.
Well. And it's just a simple square...
That's it. There's nothing else
Yeah.
down here.
What's that over there on the shelf?
Let's rise up. Some more junk.
There's a floodlight.
Oh, yeah. That's the cable coming off it there.
Yeah.
Was it a tin?
That green thing is a floodlight.
Yes.
Oh, wow. There's a table.
Pot of paint.
Pot of
Or
paint.
grease or
Wow,
something.
yeah.
It goes up
Oh,
and
ladder.
down.
The little ladder there.
Oh, yeah. If this wasn't flooded, you could have fun practicing abseiling.
You could, couldn't you? Yeah.
It'd be amazing, wouldn't it?
Nice little ladder there.
Look at that.
The slate is pretty nice quality down there. Look at it.
Good stuff.
Yeah. That's pretty good slab.
Another good place for a diver to practice.
I know, right? And it's not been backfilled at all, this.
42 Fahrenheit.
It's completely open right to the bottom. No debris, no backfill, no nothing. It's completely clear. And exactly 100 feet.
Point it up. Oh, what's that? There's our torches.
Oh, yeah. Wow. I can hear it.
I can hear it.
Can hear its little propellers.
Yeah. Well, not much to see in this one, folks.
Not much to see in that one.
No.
It's more impressive on the top, this one, isn't it, with the
It
crane?
is, but you never know.
Absolutely.
Till you look. You
Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a pump bag.
pump pipe
Pipe.
hanging off this wall.
Oh, what's there on the ledge?
It's the pump, is it? Or is
Let's
it
go over and have a
rod?
look at that. It's like a tripod. Yeah, that's the pump. Yeah, the pump is there. And there's a little tripod. What's that?
No idea.
It's not a theodolite or a surveying... Something for surveying, is it?
I don't know.
I don't know what that is. What in the world is that? Oh, it's just there. I can see it from up here. Not sure if it's like a surveying instrument or something. Or...
Yeah. No idea.
Well. Little bit. Oh, that's a little piece of.
There's a wheelbarrow.
Oh, wheelbarrow! Oh, look at the wheelbarrow.
We like finding wheelbarrows, don't we?
Yeah.
The old ones.
Old ones. We prefer the wooden ones, but that's cute. That's all right. That's all right.
It is. I need a wheelbarrow for my allotment.
There we go. Bring it up.
That's
fair
it,
enough.
folks.
Wow. Well, to be honest, it's quite refreshing to see something a little bit more modern for a change. We're used to seeing, 19th century equipment. It doesn't hurt to see the odd modern
No, not at all.
appliance.
And there we are.
Ah,
That was fun.
that was nice. Good view of the crane from down there as well. Hey.
Yeah, there it is. On to the next
Right.
flooded
On to the next one, yeah?
chamber.
Going on again. Back into the endless level. Can't turn the lights on anymore. There's some electric lights on them. Oh yeah. Some electrical cables. Oil drums.
Wow.
It's full of stuff in here, isn't it?
What's this pipe thing?
This is compressed air, I think.
Right.
Looks like compressed air to me, yeah. So look, we're turning here. Right. Turning to the right. Oh. Right, we're coming up to something. Compressed air pipes are going up.
Yeah. It's really this compressed air.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. And over here.
What's that hook above your head in front of you? Winch thing.
Wow.
Wow, it's massive. Look at this. Oh, look, there's a walkway.
There's a catwalk running all along there. The echo is superb in here. So this is the last chamber to be worked. As the winches up there, they would send this hook out across there, lower it down, hoist up the slate, and this is the last chamber to close. And the chain was put back there after the last day, and they never came back. So, you know, we might be the first ones to go to see all this since those last miners came up 25 years ago.
It must have been something worthwhile to put the ladder here.
Yeah.
Must have had a very good slate out here, and I reckon there's probably a level down there. It looks like it goes somewhere.
It does, doesn't it? This should be the best chamber, hopefully.
Let's check this in and find out.
Let's do it.